You know right, assassinate. Airport and Timaya. Moja nananum shegu edigu on my
Nigeria ni besie. My country na cruise country. Sa wedding na me pese me use yema Ghana. Ghana na cruise country. Etiefo obi baby say say na melodies nsembe na wo ken story no na eda monim no na ye baba be kasa atwetwe nkomo afa ho headline na was say Airbus scandal. Pro NPP group targets Mahama with petition to special prosecutor. Na trese NPP group B edensem eba se eye Airbus insensem yenye na yentwe eye John Dramani Mahama aso yebe konsem ni mu na yede ntremu abramo because nansen ya won say Airbus updates be ebae ema yede ni na etuja and then your first time wa subscribe na click the notification bell on so we understand latest news be about once can we have a new YouTube channel link no ewo comment box ni mo click na subscribe ema quickly yan konsem ni mu any I say pro NPP group fixing the country movement into you can fixing the country movement say who no say hope senadoye Ernest Owusu Bempa any abronye womuko na womuate no any efe fixing the country. Almost say fixing the country movement is set to petition the special prosecutor over the Airbus bribery scandal. Inti womo say womo air competition special prosecutor no say Airbus insensem no womo de kotunenim. O see the group insists former President John Dramani Mahama must particularly be held to account for his role in the scandal. Almost say Airbus insensem no Mahama ne ho bon ewom enti no e wo say yetwe Mahama aso e wo Airbus insensem ne mu eno ho nti e na wo mode asem no e kọ akwa dan eye special prosecutor no. O say they want Mahama not to compare corruption under his watch to that of the current government. Almost say Mahama mon dwen enye sa bone ne da de biara da se wo be sorry aka se ebi akata hyehyɛ ne proye no adokro eye Ekufuado amemu mu esen wono Mahama de na dabi ma wonye sa de ne biom eye haram na Mahama wo ye se wonim no okobie na no ka se Ekufuado na abemu no eye corrupt esen wono Mahama de obeye ye na de se Mahama no wo twantro ma wonye sa de ne biom asem a wo mo ka no. Now so you go into the story. Pro NPP group fixing the country movement have announced that they will be petitioning the office of the special prosecutor to revisit the Airbus bribery scandal. The group said it will also be petitioning international governments over the issue, particularly the United Kingdom's High Commission and the United States Embassy. In Titrese, enye special prosecutor pe omobetron krata akwa koma eye UK High Commission. Omosanso ebetron krata akwa koma US. Say Airbus insensem no munye no munhwem. I see they want former President John Dramani Mahama, who they insist played a role in the scandal, to be held responsible and ultimately punished for his role. I say addressing a press conference on September 5th, 2021, leader of the movement Ernest Owusu Bempa stressed that holding Mahama responsible would be nothing new, given that a number of former presidents on the continent and elsewhere have been jailed for corruption offenses committed during their tenure. Inti asemwa wo kan say oko South Africa, former president Feni Jacob Zuma ya china tum because embra na woteso no wo ye nyama bia ehun enhia. Inti wo say ye Mahama the same thing. Se Mahama kra no ya chini tum a boni bia enim enye ade fufuro bia esi asemwa Ernest Owusu Bempa wo de to jano no. Now Ayana, I don't know, say, you see, unim diya mepe. I want people who are open-minded and people who, in a way, they don't take Ghanaians as fools. Like, that's what I want. Omo ka asema, womunim sa asema ya American. we hu ne say oh ebia asem a wo kan eye nyansafo na etie no nti no so wo ka asem bia e wo say wo ye den wo susu na wo ka because senya akwakoye yi oman Ghana ye team no sisi asenya politics na akwakoye no akwakoye say oh masa me nkrofo bi wo ho a wo mu nim de meka nti me ba bonte na me be kakra ne sansa meka setia wo bi ni nti no wo mu beji edi and it happens even in NDC and NPP eto de bia NDC ni bi nsem a wo ka no wo mu a wo mu nim asem ni mu nim say abranche nsem a wo ka no it doesn't make sense na so essence bia wo kasa ma negu ekufuado enimu ase ana egu ni hu fininti you get people believing it same with Mahama NPP for bebre wo ho a nsem a wo mo ka no wo mu nim pefe say asem a wo mo kan nyansa ba ko say enim na so essence egu Mahama hu fin inti nkrofo be support wo mo etie for very simple assemble NAC now UK Airbus nsensem na Ghana ni enim hu hwe Ghana ni enim hu hwe yenim hu hwe de see anything UK for Airbus aeroplane company no UK ho na ewo wo mo see wo mo aye nhwehwemu ehu ne se katahwehwe ne proye bi akoso nti wo mo de nkrofo bi akogina court eye katahwehwe ne proye nsem akoso no wo mo de nkrofo bi akogina court nti wo mo court no ena wo mo bobo nkrofo bi din se nkrofo eni yesusu se wo mo nsa ebon wa asem ne mu na nkrofo a wo mo kobo mu din no baako ne yese wo ye Mahama ni nua embra wo mo ye nkola wo Ghana no obi be fa na kwa abrochire eye UK ho njo ye Mahama ni nua a wo ti UK o ye resident wo UK na ye ka se baako suspect baako a wo ye Mahama nua ni nti ene ye ka se and the government official one bi won because Mahama ni nua no one government official one bi ene di eye asem no ano ena Ghana for yankasa yebeka ase and government official one no eye Mahama because eye Mahama nia say Mahama nia nkwan de a eye wo no Mahama no ena one ne bede ebeye dealings no if you go into the matter and you analyze it is a possibility and so we will not rule it out eye no kre say Mahama nia ena ye ka government official one ne ambo nipa kro ni din de a eno de yes se wo beka se ebia eye Mahama ye beje atum nti NPP for so asem ni mu eka se ene Mahama etie for UK for a wo de omo asem ne baaye no ye tie beebi o ye de yenim se government official one se ne ya ka to Mahama so no ebi mo agi edi ebi mo nso mbeso mbeji edi but asem a Ghana for bebre na agi di ye se Mahama Airbus scandal ye tie beebi UK for a wo mo kofa wo mo asem baaye a wo mo de nkrata ne nsem ne breye no omo a ekokoto ekotrese court ya ne ye baaye ene ye beka ase nkrofo bi wo mo akodi bone wo deal bi ho na yanso ene ye bo government official one din yanso ne ye bo Mahama ni nua din sisi a yakwakohwehwe ye nsem mu ehu ne se ensem a ye de baaye no ye ni evidence bia etia sa nkrofo no nti ye drop case no etie for munti asem ne ye o mese badwemba ena menemo kasa nti muntie ne ye UK asem e wo court omo de asem ne court o omo ankasa o akwa yese obi nim nsem e ka se ye kochi obi nim atum ye kochi na atum ye de ne court embra ke ne Japan sorry tia no ye de obi nim court ana police for na be ka se masa ya ye nhwehwemu a obi nim no ye hu boni bia wedi nti mun drop case no is the same thing. But wait there, o ma bon krofo bi din Mahama din aba be piem government official one and aninia ni din mpiemu but a government official one ye boy na Ghana for yankasa ye de nyansa because Ghana for no ye wonyansa esin UK for no Ghana for ye te Ghana ha say yen Ghana for no ye wonyansa esin UK for na wo mankasa ko peja wo mo asem nti Ghana for ankasa ye de nyansa ka say eye Mahama no ye government official one no ye gitumu nkrofo na nkasa akokọto okoka se yesremo asem no ye atwi asan because omo a ye de asem no to omo so say womo na aye saa de no Mahama ni nia no ne government official one nsensem ni nia san krofo a ye de asem ne to omo so ni nna no ye atwe sign because ye ni evidence papa bia etre se nkrofo no eye saa inti omo drop case no wo UK what wo Ghana ha say wo petition US embassy Ote Ghana say wo petition UK High Commission say one year then it won't. You see the explanation I've given you. So what ye assembly mu a na what's me explanation as Obeka say then this move from NSO Bempamo any hosinado ye no Obeka say then this move no then Grofi omo person mo say Ghana for ye Jimmy ana because it's as if say we are dumb and we don't understand what's going on. Obia wode ne nkrata baaye wabo obi din wa dropping nipa krono asem no osi won di asem na chibiom asem a wakanto nipa krono so na nya saa nete wote wo Ghana petition US embassy US embassy wanya de asem wo you see wo UK court wo ko petition US embassy etie for asem we nya sa ben na wom or you people don't understand akwa ese Ghana BBAC wo Ghana ha say na ekoso wo Ghana court na ye Ghana o na obi a ye ka asem no ya ka asem na tia no ne bako no say me competition Togo for embassy ne bako me bisa say na Togo for embassy a wo competition ti Togo for na adan Ghana for ye sro mu ana into the asem ko to mu anima na ye court no ya ka say hey se wo ni evidence kra na fa nkrofo ne bra ne nchi omuntum like sa no mbeka it is here wo competition US embassy competition UK High Commission into competition mo a den na ebesi nipa kunna prosecutor na special fraud office in the UK na omo de asem no akwako gina court o si oni evidence nipa kunna me kan asem to ne so no me ni evidence bi atre se ade na me de to ne so no waye me ntumi ntre se waye intime drop asem no o se wo competition UK High Commission to competition a wo competition so wanya den se woni evidence kra na still one pay evidence fan microphone nkwa na. And so some of the things, if you understand what is going on and the commentary coming behind it, no be hu ne say as enkrofo bi fire and say ye jimifo bi ni yente de koso ase. As some people are taking us as we are fools and we don't understand what's going on. And that special prosecutor no sorry say we are a waste of time. Because so yes say we investigation na afani pa krone ho now the na kwa akogina Ghana court kra na Ghana court kra be ka to say omo a wo mo peja mama wati ase say ruling no precedence e be very simple case na ye ni o ma we mu e na 2020 elections ye ko court ruling bi a e course wo UK ye ni o ma we mu uko peja asem no wo court bia ne lawyer mama lawyer betumi aka say omo de asem ne ba na kra drop asem ne so mu ni evidence bi atia nipa kono na wa wo unsheda ni ensem ne ho document no na wo be prosecute asem no dead on arrival. And every lawyer knows this, every legal practitioner knows this. And so if you come and tell people say ane and the ye petition special prosecutor says still on the asem ne chia ye ni o my way mu and a cocoa board, former boss, opuni, ye drop judge, what in asem so. Attorney General Sanso a call for appeal. Wako say yenfa judge nentina asem ni subium because ye kofa judge fufra, Ghana ye beboka. Afian say ye ko kan asem ni fufro, na tre say ye beboka. Inti we ya wama drop asem wo UK, usu be peja asem ni mu Ghana. In the first place, it will not favor you because nipako awo document ni krano. Was you any evidence tia nipako ni to drop it? Or no originator no, was you any evidence? Now wo ye subsidiary. Wa asem ne claim found ho. And I ever say, well, if found ho but enya wo na wo kita documents no. Nipa ko kita papers ni na original papers ni si wo ni asem tia nipa kro no. Wo a wo kita papers no. Wo mo be peja nipa ko na court. Na e den. Obi anim say asem we dead on arrival. Na no de ye wo sky ye de be wo. Asem a ya drop e wo UK. Ube pejemu wo Ghana ha. Is it not just a waste of resources? And no akwa ye say womu nimpefe say ya clear Mahama din ye de kokota enkosiaga but o de yen hye dan fa kokot because ye de kokota still ebema ya yeden ye nya asem aka. And I feel say that is the plan at play here. Onim say asem no womu de kokota ye bebu egu. But sisi ano de say nya UK for the ruling aba no ebema ya asem ayeden ato nsuo mu. Inti o de yen hye dan ye say ye de kokot so that it will give us a leverage. So for the meantime, answer na Ghana court ebebo no still you be to me the ato Mahama so say ane ye the wo court and the Airbus ye the wo court and the Airbus, but everyone who understands the issue knows that sisi ade Airbus scandal asem no ato nsiom, it will not hold again. It will be a press conference say, and then you tell people ane and ye be say ye be petition US embassy ye be masa who ene so usu bempa ye ni ha say and I'll go petition wine. Say yanko che Captain Smart. Eko si sen. And yan nende Captain Smart aba bontia waba be di watem. Eko si sen. Asa. O man dear. At least metiasia say you are doing politics, but please respect us. Buyen. At least respect us. Buyen. Hune se sebe yenyam bofra. Ye wadwen. Yet we are discerning people. Don't just, in the name of propaganda, don't just raise anything and come and say, because you get some few people who don't even understand what is going on, but will follow you into now. We are discerning people here. Obi to say melody, so babe, I'll come and expose you. We are discerning people. Don't share my comment box to me.